Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry noodles with ramen. First, gather all your ingredients, like your favorite ramen, fresh vegetables, and a protein such as chicken or tofu. Next, take a few minutes to chop your vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Finally, cook your ramen noodles until they are just tender, then drain them well and set aside. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your protein, whether it's sliced chicken, shrimp, or tofu, and cook until it's almost fully done. Then, toss in your harder vegetables, like carrots or broccoli, and stir-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften slightly. Keep everything moving to prevent sticking. It's time to bring all those delicious flavors together. Add your softer vegetables, such as bell peppers or spinach, along with your pre-cooked and drained ramen noodles to the pan. Next, pour in your homemade or store-bought stir-fry sauce, making sure to coat every ingredient thoroughly. Continue to stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes, tossing everything gently until the sauce thickens slightly and all ingredients are heated through. This step creates that perfect, cohesive dish. Your delicious ramen stir-fry is now ready. For a final touch, garnish your dish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or some fresh chopped green onions to add extra flavor and visual appeal. Serve it immediately while it's hot to enjoy the best possible taste and texture. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after all that cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.